As much as I love summer, there is definitely something thrilling and oh so exciting about decorating a home for fall. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and if you're an I'm not decorating until the official start of the season kind of person, then heads up, it's now time. What's better? I've got you covered with a few budget-friendly tips that are as simple as swapping out one item for the next. Swap out that lush greenery and brightly colored flowers with fall-colored foliage in oranges, yellows, reds, deep purples, or browns. Swap out that plush item like a throw pillow and blanket on your common areas with a new fall-colored fabric. Swap out that front porch welcome mat and add an autumn wreath to your front door. Scoop up all those summer accented candles and swap them out with your favorite fall fragrance. Now this one isn't a swap, but a switch. Switch off your overhead lights and opt for lamps and just bring in that cozier vibe. Got a fall decor tip that you go to year after year? We definitely want to know, so drop it in the comments below to inspire us all.